Olá a todos! É um dia lindo aqui em cima.
By the bend it wakes, cold and silver blue. Green trees leaning close, like they know you too. Stone turns into spray, then the air turns clean. I watch you from above, like a living screen. Hold on, don't look away. The earth is singing in a moving frame. Hold on, feel that rush. Every blade of green stands up to the sun. Silver River run, take me in your rush. Silver River run, wild and out of touch. Green trees bright and high, waterfalls fall down. Silver River run, shake the sky right now. Drift past the cliffside edge, past the mossy stone. White foam cuts the dark, makes the whole world glow. The drone keeps floating back over every turn, and the whole valley breathes in the fire and burn. Hold on, don't look away. The earth is singing in a moving frame. Hold on, feel that rush. Every leaf in the wind tells you where to trust. Silver River run, take me in your rush. Silver River run, wild and out of touch. Green trees bright and high, waterfalls fall down. Silver River run, shake the sky right now. Let it roll, let it call, through the gorge, through it all. I can hear that pull in my chest tonight. From the root to the cloud, everything feels right. Silver River run, take me in your rush. Silver River run, wild and out of touch. Green trees bright and high, waterfalls fall down. Silver River run, shake the sky right now. Silver River run, take me in your rush.
Tá lá no Riviera. Não, tá lá na areia. Tá bem de frente com o Riviera.
Wide open water, nothing but blue on blue. Shoreline a whisper, drifting further, salt on the daylight, sun drawing lines on the waves. All of the noise fades, only the breathing of space above the blue. I'm weightless, moving slow, as the tide fall from everything they used to pour me. Above the blue, the world grows small and new. I could stay forever floating over you. Tiny white ribbons trail